Sophia 2204, your pageant blogger host. Subscribe.
This coming August 24, 2024, malalaman na natin kung sino ang bagong kokoronahan bilang Miss International Queen 2024. And now at this moment, good day pageant lovers at magandang araw Pilipinas. Patuloy nating paghandaan at patuloy na suportahan si Miss International Queen Philippines Sophia Arcangel sa kanyang laban sa Miss International Queen Coronation Night ngayong darating na Agosto 24, 2024. And now at this moment ay panoorin po natin ang kanyang full performance sa nakaraang Miss International Queen Philippines kung saan deserving na ilaban at manalo na ito ng corona. Let's watch this.
Congratulations, Sophia! How are you? Anong feeling na ikaw ang humakot ng awards, sa special awards?
I really feel overwhelmed, and I'd like to thank the sponsors for giving me awards, and I really appreciate it. I'm actually a comeback queen from last year, from Queen Lars Pacheco's batch, and I ended up as one of the semi-finalists, and I'm just really happy that I'm back with the Miss International Queen Philippines organization.